Hey buddy, what's up? What's your name? Are you Patchy? Patchy Patches? Patchy Patches, holy. Meow kid. What are you doing? Coming this way. You better not go too far. Oh. This way then. This way. This way. This way. Woo! Let's go. Come on. You showing me the way? This way? You know I'm new in this area. I only been here 1 month. Oh, there's your kitty. Right on the pathway and everything. Pathway with kitty patches. Yeah. You dye your hair like a punk rocker, kitty. Are you a punk rock cat? Yes you are, and yes you are, and yes you are. Let's go. Come on. You stay. Stop trying to cut me off. Stop that now, sir, away, buddy. I know why you're such a fan. You want an autograph, don't you, kitty? Come on. Stop. Oh, cut me right off, see that? Right in front of my feet. Alright, you get back there now. You gotta go back. Alright, thank you. Show me the way. Now you back this way. Way over there, that house. Get back. Thank you. Alright, I gotta go home. Woo! See? You go home. Go. No. So, you're gonna walk me to my door, ain't you? He's a res cat. He knows I'm a newbie. He can tell by look. Oh, he walked right in front of your feet again. Patchy walking feet. I took cut right in front of my feet on purpose. See? Patchy walking feet. Come on. You go home now. Oh, you know where I live even. Thank you, Patches. Thank you. You take care, Patchy. Patchy Patch on Ll77. You ain't getting into.